Rooster. Nice work. Wolf. Not quite. Horse. You're good. Goat. Way to go. Who looks like a little horse? Pony. Superb. Who is very stubborn? Goat. You'll get it. Who is very stubborn? Swan. Give it another try. Sheep. Excellent. Duck. Excellent. Albatross. Give it another try. Goose. You go. Pig. That's the way. What beautiful white bird lives on the lakes? Swan. Beautiful. Cow. Yes. Who is very stubborn? Goat. Not quite. Who is very stubborn? Chameleon. Not quite. Who is very stubborn? Kangaroo. Keep practicing. Who is very stubborn? Hare. Not quite. Who is very stubborn? Wolf. Not quite. Who is very stubborn? Donkey. Hooray! Great job! You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals. Who steals cheese and hates cats? Mouse. All right. Cat. Sweet. Who has colorful wings? Butterfly. Good work. Who used to be the fastest mail carriers? Arctic fox. Keep practicing. Dog. Excellent. Crow. Keep it up. Who used to be the fastest mail carriers? Who used to be the pigeon? All right. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Who can talk like humans? Parrot. Great job. Puppy. Not bad. Kitten. Excellent. Who can change skin colors? Penguin. Give it another try. Who lives in an aquarium? Goldfish. Bravo. Who makes a hissing sound? Cat. Not quite. Who is called a pig, but is not guinea pig? Yes. Who carries its own house? Arctic fox. Not quite. Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Keep practicing. Canary, you go. Who is super strong? Ants, you go. Who carries its own house? Puppy, think again. Who carries its own house? Turtle, good. Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Hamster, you're good. Who makes a hissing sound? Woodpecker, not quite. Who makes a hissing sound? Snake, that's the way. Who can change skin colors? Chameleon, good work.